podcast presented by Cisco. Day 2, and it is in the afternoon, but business is still happening in on the trade show floor. We're certainly excited to be here on Workforce Development Day in conversation with some wonderful people. So, Stephanie, why don't you go ahead and introduce yourself?
Sure, I'm Stephanie Gruchy. I work with a company called Pennecon, and I'm based in St. John's, Newfoundland. I'm from a community just outside of St. John's called Witless Bay. I've been there all my life, and I have a family and whatnot there now as well. I've been with the company for over 10 years.
Wow.
And I'm just recently got on the Energy NL board of directors as well.
Wow.
Congratulations. Yeah,
Thank
I think
you.
I saw that. I just want to say, I remember when I said to you, I would like to get you on the podcast. And you said, I know the owner. You said, oh, Larry. I said, well, no, I dated myself, didn't I, Alan?
Yes.
I know the founder of the company. But
Yes.
anyway, I just thought I'd say that.
So, what does Pennecon do? Why should we pay attention to those guys?
So Pennecon is a very diversified company. We've been in business for over 50 years.
Okay.
We've been voted Canada's best managed company for many years in a row now. We have 4 main capabilities. So our heavy civil division, so when you think of roads, bridges, and now wind, we have an industrial group, so basically supplying workforce to large projects. And then our services and maintenance group, which we're representing here today. So we're here with our hydraulic systems group and technical services group. We're involved in the defense sector. We've had multiple contracts supplying deck equipment and asset management to our clients. We also have, within our technical services group, controls and automations, power systems and transformers. We have a field and offshore division as well, and cranes. So we inspect and repair and have an asset management program for overhead cranes as well as marine cranes.
I guess I should have asked what you're not involved in.
Well, when you asked that question, Alan, I know a bit about the company. I was like, man, do we have 4 hours? I did not know you were involved in the defense sector. Really happy to see you here today.
We are, yeah, and this has been a great conference. This is my 2nd year attending. We have a booth here this year, and it's been great. The traffic has been phenomenal. We're meeting a lot of new people and connecting with those who we've had relationships with for quite some time.
So, who are the clients that you're interested in doing business with here?
So we do business with a lot of the clients here, actually. We do work with Dallas, Irving Shipbuilding, Fleetway, and whatnot. Yeah.
Right. Okay, so you got clients in the room
We do,
already.
we
Oh,
do.
that's fantastic. And so you talked about wind there for a second. Expand on that a little bit more. What are you doing in the wind area?
Yeah, so right now, actually, we are currently in Grizzly Creek, Alberta. So this is a collaboration between all of our groups. We have representation there from our civil group, our industrial group, as well as our service and maintenance group. We're currently erecting 34 wind farms there, or windmills there, and right now it's undergoing the commissioning stages. So a lot of mechanical and electrical scopes of work.
Wow.
We have offices here in Dartmouth, Nova Scotia. We have our hydraulic systems and our power systems divisions located here, as well as a controls and automations division called the Panel Shop located in Fredericton, Alberta. And then in St. John's, we have technical services, hydraulic systems, as well as our civil and industrial group. And then we also span across the west coast of Canada into Edmonton as well.
Wow. So you must have a lot of staff. How many people do you know?
So company-wide, we have almost 3,000 now, which ramp up and ramp down on a project basis.
Yeah.
Within our service and maintenance group, we have about 300 personnel on board with us now. So that includes a wide variety of disciplines. So we have technicians, electrical, mechanical, instrumentation. Then we have electrical engineering and mechanical engineering, and then all of the other support.
So if you were, so today is Workforce Development Day here, and I'm sure that you're always looking for talent.
We are always looking, yes.
So what would your pitch be? What would separate Pennecon from everybody else? Why would you want to work there?
Pennecon is so diversified. You know, we're across every industry and every sector, and the things that we do, you know, it could be civil, it could be industrial, it could be, you know, down working on a fishing vessel to help erecting wind farms. We have groups right now in Greenland. It's our heavy civils first project, I guess, you know, in Greenland. So we're currently building the airport facility there.
When I worked in the newspaper business, Pennecon used to come in and help with the press. So talk about diversification.
Yeah, it's
Wow.
very diversified, and the people are great, which makes it all the better.
Right. So working from the printing press now to renewable energy, and wow, that's quite a journey. It sounds like an amazing company. Sounds like you're into an awful lot of things. What did you think of the trade show?
The trade show has been excellent. It's soon coming to an end here now.
Yeah.
I noticed this year it's expanded exponentially
Yeah.
compared to last year. I think you guys outgrown the upstairs, so we've moved down here into the 2 levels. The back-to-back meetings for this conference are fantastic. It's probably one of the best back-to-back setups that I've seen in all the conferences that I've attended. And just getting to go around and meet new people and new faces and understanding what some of the companies do and understanding how we can collaborate with them and provide better value to our clients.
What an absolute pleasure to be in conversation with you and giving us all a much better understanding of what Pennecon does, and as well showing the next generation of workers that there's a real opportunity here in so many areas.
Absolutely, yes.
Yeah. So thank you very much for being on the podcast.
Thank you for having me. It's been a pleasure.
We really appreciate having you.
Thank you.